Preparing for exams can be challenging, but the Bhagavad Gita offers valuable teachings that can assist in this task. With its valuable teachings on exam preparation, this video will explore 5 exam preparation tips from the Bhagavad Gita that can assist you in succeeding in any exams. Starting off, our first exam preparation suggestion from Bhagavad Gita is: focus on the effort, not the result. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that we should focus on our efforts rather than worrying about the outcome. In the context of exams, this means putting in our best effort without being too attached to the result. Second, control your mind. The Gita emphasizes the importance of controlling one's mind and thoughts. In the context of exams, this means staying calm and focused, avoiding distractions, and maintaining a positive attitude. Third, develop discipline. The Gita teaches that discipline is essential for success. This includes studying regularly, managing time effectively, and avoiding procrastination. Fourth, cultivate equanimity. The Gita stresses the importance of maintaining equanimity in all situations. In the context of exams, this means being balanced and composed, not getting too elated by success or too demoralized by failure. Fifth, seek knowledge. The Gita is a text that emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge. In the context of exams, this means approaching learning with a curious and open mind, asking questions, and seeking help when needed. These exam tips we have shared are just a few examples of the valuable insights that the Bhagavad Gita has to offer for exam preparation. Hope you found these helpful. If you want to explore more such tips and learnings, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest study and exam-related content.